I'm vegetarian, so this is not for me. Okay, just a can of smoked oysters and 2 eggs, and also some cabbage and carrot inside, and you just stir it up, and now you serve it with some fresh cut chilies and some fresh mint leaves, and you can also add some soy sauce if you like it more savory, and you can also put a dash of pepper. This one is a very easy dish. Thank you. I'm just going to have something from my pot which I've just cooked. Here, something very simple. Quinoa and mushroom and cabbage. Oh, and some spinach. And I'm going to have some very good rice, some bean rice which I have. I'm going to also cut up some zucchinis and eat it raw. I am Nancy, your cooking friend. These are all just cooking ideas from me. Bye for now. Please visit my other channels if you like birds. I also have Snowy the Corella. If you like something spiritual, go to Mystic Nancy. Bye for now. And also, if you want entertainment, go to Nancy the Fanciful, all on YouTube. I have 4 YouTube channels. Bye. Please subscribe.